only one show you need. One show you crave. One show that leaves you feeling great, feeling fine. This one. Explain your concept behind your marbles game. What's the concept behind it?
So the concept behind the marbles is that I wanted to combine my two passions because I've always loved streaming. I just kind of like didn't love the games I was streaming. So I thought it'd be cool if I could combine my newfound love for NFTs with streaming. And I was having a blast streaming marbles. So I was like, why don't I just create my own little marbles project? And then I was like, all right, if people buy these marbles, part of the money we make from selling them will go to marble race winners. Like, it'll be fun. So I found out a system all in my head how I can do this. I was like, all right, if each marble gets an ID, we can represent that with a number, and then we can look up that number and we can send the prizes to that wallet address. It all made perfect sense in my head, and it came to fruition, and it's been working great.
And you can see I bought one of these marbles. I have a 1.2 multiplier, so mine is not the best, but you made 100 originally, right?
Yeah, I made 100 of these.
So, and if you get in the first 100, tell them what happens.
So if you're in the first 100, you're in the Series 1, and the super important thing about Series 1 is because if the project continues to go well, fingers crossed, there will end up being 10 series, 1,000 total marbles. So I made the decision. I was like, I don't think it's very fun to see 1,000 marble race. It's just a cluster. You don't have very good chances of winning. It's silly. So I made the decision that every single race in ETH Marbles is going to be a max of 200 marbles. And Series 1 gets entered in every single one, forever. Every race, Series 1 will be there. Next 100 is going to be by a qualifying race. So you're going to have 9 other marbles in the qualifying race, each with a series above their head. So you're going to have Series 2 marble, Series 3 marble, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to do a pre-race. Them 9 marbles with a series number above their head are going to race. Whichever marble wins, that whole series gets imported into the race. So it'll be Series 1 and that series. So if you're not in Series 1, there's a good chance you can miss quite a few series.
No qualifying for me, Bouncer. No qualifying. I'm in every freaking race, thank God. The rest of you suckers, maybe I have to do some qualifying races. Now, have you already sold out the first 100?
Yes. All 100 are sold. And I would like to point out that these all were originally listed for 0.1, and the floor is like 0.69 right now, I think.
I thought it was 0.4. Now it's 0.69?
Well, 3 people bought marbles in the last couple hours. My biggest fear was that some whale was going to come in and buy like 50 of them. This project just wouldn't have been fun if freaking 50 of the goddamn marbles were owned by the same person. That's going to take the community away. That's going to make it not as fun. So, like, I came out with a rollout process that, all right, I list these 20 for sale. Once these 20 are for sale, I'll sell the next 20. Like, I wanted to keep an eye on, like, the people that were buying them. Because I didn't want the project to be ruined. So, I'm very grateful that we got like an 83% unique ownership right now on them.
If you could tune in, obviously you want to, right? But it's okay. If you have the marble, you're good. As long as you get your marble, and you do you verify in the Discord. You'll be with Collabland, Collabland. Anyone ever think something's fishy when you every Collabland? I don't know. I'm just saying. And then again, you will be good to go forevermore. Doesn't matter.
Also, if anybody is a little confused, you can always join the ETH Marbles Discord. And in the channel called About ETH Marbles, I made like a little demo video showing like how it works.
It's again very pretty easy to understand, to comprehend. You can go in there.
But the cool thing is that if you read the roadmap, a series comes out. So Series 2 isn't going to come out till like mid-October, so like a month from now.
Okay.
So these 100 marbles still got quite a few races of just those 100.
Okay.
But then once Series 2 comes out, Series 2 has a whole month of just the 200. It'll just be them 200 every time because they don't got anybody to qualify against. So
right.
It's just them 200 every time. So Series 2 is still good. But once Series 3 comes out, that's when things start getting a little dicey. There's a 50% chance that either Series 2 or Series 3 is going to be taking a seat for that race.
So Series 3 is when the qualifying races would begin.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's probably not till then. We're talking like November, December.
Like November.